Okay, Glam fam, so this is how it's looking so far. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna glue these pieces down. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how it's looking so far. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in on the little edges where you can see, and we're gonna go ahead. I was gonna use this clear glue, but I think what I'm gonna do, because I'm running out of time, I'm gonna use our glue, hot glue. So all I'm gonna do is take some of this these diamond pieces, and I'm just gonna go in here and put it in there like that. So that way we really won't have to wait for it to dry. Stay tuned for tomorrow so I can show you all how I end up decorating these bookcases that are next to the desk. Stay tuned. Okay, Glam fam, so this is the mirror. Y'all, I'm just loving the way it's looking. It turned out really, really good. And this is the desk that it will be over. Remember, I'm doing this room over, y'all. So I hope you all like what you see. And if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this, oh God? Why you let me find her like this, oh God? You still ain't got a problem.